Alright, welcome to my channel, this is Locksport. What I'm doing today is I got this recently picked on video, and I had a comment from, let's say, someone, the Chicken Man. We'll say the Chicken Man. He said, okay, basically, well, what about left-handed? So, without, without having to let that go, I'm going to attempt this left-handed. So, I haven't tried it yet. So this ought to be very, very interesting. Make sure I keep it in frame so old Chicken Man won't say ah. Let's see, there we go. Got it in place. Now, how to grab this thing? All right. Very good question. Okay. Get my picking wire in there too. Alright, there we go. So, how am I going to do this left-handed? Very... Alright, how about this? Will this work? Alright, maybe I got it. Let's see here. Okay, let me get my pick wire straight before I tension it up. I'll get you out from under there. Alright, here we go. This is... I have to completely kind of think backwards what I'm doing here. Not feeling any rotations. I don't know if I'm getting the right lever. Oh, never mind. There you go. Chicken Man, how you like them eggs? Now I gotta get my wire out. Come on, get my wire out. And yeah, it's open. So, there we go, Chicken Man. It's open. Alright, thanks for watching.